what are the most common questions you get about Hopted? So then we can maybe address them now because maybe there's something that comes back and again, maybe something in the connection to, between the Seller Central and the kind of Hopted and Google Sheets, or maybe something else. Maybe people ask about use cases. What do you think from your side? What do you see?
Mhm. So typically people, as like sellers, like at least, yeah, typically sellers are asking for uh, additional sales channels to be supported. So right now we are only supporting Amazon Sales Central, Amazon Vendor Central, and Amazon Ads. Frequent requests is supporting Walmart and Shopify and other platforms. So extending the number of platforms, e-commerce platforms that we are supporting is one of our priorities. So that's we are focusing on.